In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Fotmob app if it is not responding. So in any way, if the app keeps on crashing or it can't open, then follow these steps to troubleshoot it. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should work the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go and look for settings. And my settings option is here. Tap on it to open. Now, from here, look for the apps option. And it is down here. Click on it. Then look for manage apps option. Now from manage app, this will open all the apps you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you get to Fotmob. And my app is here. Tap on it to open. Now, one of the reasons why your app keeps on misbehaving is because of data. So we need to go ahead and clear data. Now, if I tap on storage, you can see we have a lot of cache data. Now, the cache data are just the history, the files of your browsing that this app normally keep. However, the accumulation of it will cause this app to malfunction. So to clear the cache, all you need to do is to tap on this option, clear data. And from here, select the option called clear cache. Go ahead and tap on OK. And then our cache will be cleared. And as you can see now, we have 0 cache. Now from here, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open it. And this should be able to solve any problem that you had with your app. However, if you're still experiencing the problem, then you may want to go and take the next step, which is to go and update it from Play Store. So go to Play Store and then look for the app. And as you can see, the app is here. Now you may want to go ahead and look for any update if it is available. For my case, I don't have any update, but if you see an update here, you may want to go ahead and update your app and then try opening it, and then it will solve the problem. But should you still experience the problem or the challenge you are facing, then you may want to go ahead and uninstall the app and then come and install it afresh. So by following any of the 3 methods, you should be able to solve issues with your Fotmob app. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.